Shad, you want some watermelon? Yummy. Yummy. Hi, Liv. You want some watermelon? Shad, you want some watermelon? Yummy. Come here, Liv. Come on over. Come here. Oh! Oh, my goodness. You really wanted that watermelon. You must be hungry. Hey, Shad, you want a piece? You want a piece? Mmm. Yummy. Crazy dogs. Crazy over watermelon? Do you want some watermelon, Liv? That's so silly. Do you want some? Do you want some? Oh. Do you want some? I'm crazy. You're crazy. You can't eat all my watermelon. No. Mommy has to have some. Mommy has to have some. You gonna share? Liv? Liv, you gonna share? Good girl. Good girl. Thank you for sharing.